Is this the best deal in South Austin? This home is in Onion Creek. Named after the creek that flows through it, the South Austin neighborhood of Onion Creek is a quiet community situated around a golf and tennis club. Mature trees surround the neighborhood, a peaceful escape from downtown just 13 miles north. This large two-story home was built in 1990 and sits on a pretty large lot just shy of a fifth of an acre. The home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an office, a 2-car garage, and a pool. The hardwood floors, baseboards, wainscoting, window trim, all appear to be in pretty good shape. This large open room is actually both the living room and the dining room. The main features would be the fireplace and the pool views. The kitchen is connected to the dining room and also has a pretty large breakfast nook. The back door leads out to the pool, which also features a spa. Now, this home was built in 1990, so there are some updates that need to be made, but for the most part, this can be lived in as is. This pool is definitely a bonus during the summertime. A few small additions and updates could also go a very long way out here. A lounge chair, an umbrella, and a cold drink would have me out here all summer. The garage would be straight through this door, a pretty plain powder room to the right, and then heading upstairs. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. All are pretty large and have walk-in closets. These back 2 bedrooms offer pool views. This large vaulted ceiling upon entry gives you some pretty good overhang views. You got a pretty long and deep full bathroom with a double vanity serving the 3 secondary bedrooms. And next to it, a large laundry room. Here's that last secondary bedroom that also has the nice pool view. This room also has the largest walk-in closet. Heading out, we'll go through this long hallway to the private primary bedroom entrance. Here's the oversized primary bedroom. Large cathedral ceiling. Tons of natural light coming in with all these windows. The ensuite bathroom is huge. You have the shower tub combo, private toilet, huge double vanity, and a mirror that takes up the entire wall. And finally, 2 large walk-in his and hers closets. Well, that's about it. Now, this is a very inexpensive way to break into Onion Creek and still have all the room you could dream of. Some key updates could really go a long way here, but again, this home is livable as is. Check out the description for pricing and more details, as well as my contact info if you have any questions or want to schedule a private tour. See you on the next one.